Casey! Again, hot intros tonight. Thank you. How you guys doing? Yeah, I love that. I love that slightly perplexed look that I get a lot. I know I have that, I do have that bit of I know I have that intimidating. People get intimidated. They don't know, like, oh, cool. Is it okay to laugh at this guy? Is he cool? I know it. I get it all the time. Especially, like, I know, like, women. Women sometimes scare me. I walk on the street, so I do all that I can to, like, lighten the load. Like, I've trimmed my beard. I wear like light-colored shirts, which I used to wear all black, you know. And then when that fails, I just hide in the bushes. You know. But the other thing, so it's like it's either that or people are like, you know, you kind of look like a baby, right? I get it all the time, but from other little babies. Yeah. And yeah, I know. So besides like what you call it, I was gonna say and then the last thing, well, I know I'm like this is also what I look like, but the other thing I get a lot is I get a lot of people saying, dude, you look like a bear. And I'm always like, a bear? What do you mean? What's a bear? And I didn't know what it was at first. And one of my friends was like, dude, a bear is a guy who looks like you, who's attracted to men who look like you. Like, who knew that was a thing? You know what I'm saying? Like, because growing up my whole life, you know, the only people that found me attractive or cute was like my mom, my wife, and my priest, you know, like otherwise, no, like even to the point where like I think this is gross. Like after I'm done masturbating, and I'm like, that was great, and then I look in the mirror and I go, whoa, I just got a hand job from a fat old guy with a beard. Not great. You know, that ruins everything. Yeah, I know. I'm at that weight right now where when I remove my shirt, it's considered going topless by my wife. I love hanging out and being social, but I gotta tell you, one thing I really dislike is shaking hands. It drives me up the wall because I'm OCD and it freaks me out. And when I shake hands with people, that hand is dead to me. And I don't use it for anything else other than shaking hands until I wash it. You know what I mean? But here's the interesting thing though. But this is the I'm even confused by this. Here's the interesting dichotomy to that thing. Okay, is I won't shake hands with anybody. But you put any relatively attractive female and put her butt in my face, I will eat it. You know, like no questions asked. You know, like I tell people, eating ass, it's a bit like therapy. The first few licks, you're just working through some shit. You know, I'm a total degenerate. I wish I wasn't, but I am, you know? And I talk like this all the time with my friends. Like, we're just like complete low-life pigs. And I'm talking like this, and I talk like this to other people, and then I'll have to mention for some reason, I'm like, oh, and by the way, I've got this food blog you should really check out. You know, like, yeah, and they're like, but you were just talking, like, I'm like, you may not trust my opinion on tasty butt, but you can trust my opinion on food. So like, okay, so here's the thing, like, growing up, I had a strong, like, my mother was more like, my mother was like my best friend and everything, so like, I liked hanging out with women a lot. Most of my friends growing up were women, but then I did have a lot of dude friends, you know, and we weren't into sports. So we bonded over music. You know, that was our thing. Like, we bonded over heavy metal. You know what I mean? And heavy metal is very manly, you know? And heavy metal is manly, super manly, and slightly homophobic. Like, a lot of the guys into it. And so, like, we bonded on homophobia, which was weird to me. Like, I don't know why. I was a kid, and I was young and stupid. And it's like, it's confusing. Like, why did I bond over that? Like, I have gay cousins, gay uncle. I don't mind a finger in my ass, you know, whatever. But we did it, you know, and that was like our thing. So, one of my most favorite bands, Judas Priest. And I love Judas Priest, right? The lead singer came out years ago as being gay. But in 1983, nobody knew this. Rob Halford from Judas Priest. So my friend Joe's older brother went to go see Judas Priest in '83. And afterwards, we were like, oh my God, the next day we're like, oh my God, how was Judas Priest? And I bet it was awesome. He's like, oh, it was really cool. But we went backstage and we were like, yeah. And he's like, yeah. And it's like, Rob Halford was hitting on me. He's gay. And we were like, what? You know, like, no, he's not. And he's like, oh, no, he totally was. Like, no, he wasn't. I think you're confused, Jim. I don't think Rob Halford is not gay. He goes, oh, no, he was. Like, and to the point where we're like, Jim's a fucking asshole. Joe's brother, get him out of here. I hate him. You know, so my friends and I, we needed to feel better about this because we were mental midgets. You know, we're like, that's wrong. So we just went to like non-stop Judas Priest. I'm turning it up. And the first song I put on, and I'm the guy that applauded Grindr, by the way. And I'll tell you what, first song by Judas Priest, Grindr. Right before the app. Grindr looking for meat. Grindr wants you to eat. Like, how did I not know? You know, like, they got an album, Hell Bent for Leather. I still didn't know. You know, and actually they had a video, which I loved, one of my favorite videos, Hot Rockin'. All right? Hot Rockin'. I wanted to go Hot Rockin'. The lead singer is in a white towel in a bathhouse throwing water on rocks. Like, that is as gay as it gets. You know what I'm saying? Like, Rob Halford wore all leather with studs. He carried a bullwhip. Like, he wasn't keeping it a secret. I was keeping it a secret for him. What was my problem? I went so far, I got to the point, like, I love Priest so much, I bought a leather cap. Right? And I remember I wore it out, and my one buddy goes, dude, what are you doing? You look totally gay. And I go, fuck you. Do not look gay. I look like Rob Halford. Everybody, that's my time. Thank you.
Give it up for Monty! Oh, man! Montyism's band. That's a life. Ladies and gentlemen.